Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun fold card with the sweet ice cream bundle. So this fun fold card opens up like this to reveal your fun message inside. This is a really easy card to make. I'm going to show you how. I used the sweet ice cream bundle, which consists of the sweet ice cream stamp set and the ice cream cone builder punch. Super cute. You can punch out the ice cream and the ice cream cone, and there's also popsicle that you can stamp and some added fun things that you can stamp on top, as well as some really nice sentiments that you can use. Happy birthday and thank you. Very nice. So to start, you're going to use a whole sheet of 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, and you're going to score it in half on the 11-inch side at 5.5, and just fold it in half. And then on the 8.5-inch side, you're going to score it at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8. And then we're going to do some trimming. We are going to trim away this top piece right here. On both sides. So you can use those pieces for another project or another card. And then that gives us our gatefold card on the bottom. So for our gatefold card inside, we'll start with that. I started by using some of the Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper to decorate the front, and I really love the stripes. So I'm going to start with the stripes. So I'm going to place those. I'm using Bermuda Bay cardstock as my card base. And these pieces are 2 by 5 3/8. Now when we open up, we are going to use a piece of 4 by 5 1/4. And we're gonna stamp and add some Designer Series paper. So I thought the ice cream would be fun. So let's add some ice cream. These pieces are also 2 by 5 3/8. And then I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday in Bermuda Bay to match my card base. I'm gonna add some sprinkles. We'll do some in Bermuda Bay. And then we'll add some in Rich Razzleberry. Actually, that is Gorgeous Grape. So we will do Gorgeous Grape. And we will stamp with sprinkles on top. So that's the inside of the card. So we'll fold that up. Make sure it's nice and folded. And now we will work on the outside of the card. So I also started with some designer series paper, and I layered that on some cinnamon cider cardstock. This piece is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. So that's going to go right on there with dimensionals. And then I have some basic white and Bermuda Bay. I used the layering circles dies. I used the second largest scalloped die for the scallop circle. And so I'm gonna stamp the ice cream in Bermuda Bay. We'll do some sprinkles. And then we'll stamp the cone in cinnamon cider. And I'm stamping it at an angle because this is going to help me punch it out more easily. You'll see when I punch it out. So this is a 1.5 inch strip of cardstock, basic white, and it's just easier to use when I trying to punch things out, so I can line things up more easily. So there's my ice cream cone and my ice cream. And now I'm going to place this on here, about there. Okay, and then we'll just trim off the excess here. And then we'll use dimensionals to put these on. I should move this up a little bit more. Maybe. Now I've twisted it. Okay. I've got our ice cream cone. And so now I'm just going to add some dimensionals to this layer. I always love to add dimensionals to this layer. Just adds that little bit more. And then we will have our Fun Fold Sweet Ice Cream card. I'm offering a class with the Sweet Ice Cream bundle. It consists of these 6 cards. When you purchase the bundle, you'll receive this card kit for free, or if you place a $30 order using my February hostess code, just email me and let me know that you would like the Sweet Ice Cream card kit, and I will send it out to you for free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other sweet ice cream video tutorials. I'll see you next time. Bye.